बुद्धिवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृतास्वादनं सर्वात्मस्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम् नमः कमलना भाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्मानं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्ध्वं देवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। बोले राधा कृष्ण भगवान की जय। The divine souls, devotees of the Supreme Lord. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and every one, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to each and every one of you here. Continuing from the theme yesterday, you would have seen advertised 2 days we're doing Pads, divine poetry from Rasya Madhuri of Prem Ras Madira. As I told you yesterday, Pancham Mool Jagat Gurutam Shri Kripaluji Mahaprabhu wrote many books. The fifth original Jagat Guru, Kripaluji Mahaprabhu, he wrote many books. And one of them is Prem Ras Madira. Just little over a week only, he wrote this entire book containing 1008 pads, 21 madhuris. Madhuri, different temperament, different expression of divine love of Shri Radha Krishna, expressing their divine leelas, divine pastimes, giving us some idea of their divinity, who they are, divine philosophy from Vedas and other scriptures, etc. This is one of the greatest blessings of Kripaluji Mahaprabhu, this book, Prem Ras Madira. Besides this, he wrote many other books of bhajan, kirtan, Braja Ras Madhuri, Yugal Shatak, Bhakti Shatak, Yugal Madhuri, many, many books. And of course, Prem Ras Siddhant, the philosophy of divine love, which gives us in the simplest way all the philosophy of all the Vedas, all the scriptures, in a simple way that everyone can understand. No one has to go and read any book. So, as I said, there are 21 Madhuris, and the 20th Madhuri is Rasya Madhuri. And so devotees had made the request to do two pads from Rasya Madhuri, describing the divine love of the gopis and Shri Krishna. Last night we sang a beautiful pad describing the greatness of the gopis. Such is the position of those gopis, the milkmaids of Vrindavan, that Supreme Brahm, Supreme Power Shri Krishna became their eternal servants. Chatak. Dhani dhani tin braj gop vadhutin inke chakar Brahma sadai. And it went on to describe the greatness of these gopis and how Shri Krishna served them. A Supreme Brahm. And tonight I have chosen a Leela Pad of the same Rasya, Madhuri, but this is describing the divine Leela, divine pastime of the gopis and Shri Krishna. Last night we looked at their love and how Shri Krishna serves them. He's become a slave to them because of their selfless love. Samartharati, Prem. So tonight we're going to see this divine pastime, Leela, with the gopis and Shri Krishna. Ha mori tori lar ori gori. Ha mori tori lar ori gori nand kori. Mori tori lar ha mori tori lar ori gori nand kori. Ha mori tori lar ori gori nand kori. Mori tori lar ha mori tori lar ori gori nand kori. Mori tori lar ha mori tori lar ha mori tori lar. Oh ha mori tori lar ha mori tori lar. Tori lar tori lar tori lar ori gori nand kori. Mori tori lar ha mori tori lar ori gori nand kori. Mori tori lar. तो एक सखी अपने सहेलिया से कहते हैं कि वो श्याम सुंदर ने क्या किया. This gopi is describing to her friends an incident that happened with her with Shyam Sundar, Shri Krishna. The gopi says, Are Sakhi, oh my dear friend, that Nand Kumar, Shri Krishna, Nand Kumar, he broke my pearl, my chain of pearls, he broke it. This gopi, this is something very valuable to her. A gala necklace of pearls. And she has met Shyam Sundar for the first time. So her Sakhi says, Are Sakhi, What did you do that he would break your necklace of pearls? You must have done something. I didn't do anything. This very naughty fellow just came like that and broke my necklace. He's such a naughty person. For no reason. Are Sakhi, aisa nahi hoti. Nobody does anything for no reason at all. There must be a reason. There's a reason. But the gopi doesn't understand. Karan to hai. So the other Sakhi says, Acha, acha, bataiye, kya hua? Tell me what happened. Okay, ab bataungi. I'm going to tell you. Yesterday, I went to the Kalindi. Kalindi Tat. Kalindi means Yamuna. Yamuna has many names. The river Yamuna in Mathura, Vrindavan. This sacred river Yamuna is also called Kalindi. So I went to the bank of the Yamuna, aur sang rahi Ali Alin Mori. And I didn't go alone. All my friends were with me. Besides you, you're also my friend. This is why I'm relating this incident to you. I'm not going to tell everybody, but my other friends, my other girlfriends, Sakhis. Together we went to the bank of the Yamuna. Kyun gayi wahan? Why did you go to the bank of the Yamuna? Are Sakhi roz to jati hai. Every day we go, you know. We go to the Yamuna. We go to bring water. We go to take bath, to wash our clothes. So much things we go to the bank of the Yamuna for. So I just went with my friends. Fir kya hua? Then what happened? I'll tell you. Ha mori tori lar, ori gori nand kori, mori tori lar ha. कालिंदी तट काली गई रही, कालिंदी तट काली गई रही, ओ कालिंदी तट काली गई रही, कालिंदी तट काली संग रही आली अलिन मोरी, मोरी तोरी लर, संग रही आली अलिन मोरी, मोरी तोरी लर, ओ संग रही आली अलिन मोरी, मोरी तोरी लर, संग रही आली अलिन मोरी, मोरी तोरी हा मोरी तोरी लर, हा मोरी तोरी लर, ओ हा मोरी तोरी लर, हा मोरी तोरी लर, ओ तोरी लर, तोरी लर, तोरी लर, ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी, मोरी तोरी लर, हा मोरी तोरी लर, ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी, मोरी तोरी लर, ओ हा मोरी तोरी लर, ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी, मोरी तोरी लर, हा मोरी तोरी लर, ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी, मोरी तोरी लर। अब गुस्से में कहती है, this gopi, she is saying with pretense, really, with great anger. He broke my necklace of pearls. Very indignantly, she's saying this with this anger. She's actually feigning. She's feeling very happy. But she cannot show this to her friend. What kind of woman are you? Someone broke your garland that your husband gave you and you are so happy. And she could not show this. So, for the world, something else, inside something else. We look outwardly. We can't see on the inside. And this is why we end up making big, big mistakes. We judge externally. In the world, it's not very bad that we look at someone, a worldly person, and we think, I know. Actually, we don't know. How we feel about someone is determined by the qualities of Maya inside of us and in that person. All worldly souls are governed by three modes of Maya. Maya has three qualities. Teen gun hai. Sattva gun, Rajo gun, Tamo gun. These are three qualities of Maya. And all of us are governed by these three qualities of Maya. These three qualities, they keep mixing and intermingling. And one is always predominated. And the one which predominates determines our character, our nature, how we feel, how we think. All of them are always present. But the one which predominates at that time in our mind, they control our mind. So if the sattvic quality is predominating, Rajogun, Tamogun is also there. But sattvic quality is predominating, we will have high and noble thoughts. We want to do good things. We think good thoughts. We feel good. Good means the desire to do good things. If the Rajogun is predominating, Sattvagun is also there, Tamogun, but Rajogun is predominating, we are passionate, hopeful, ambitious. We want to get more money, a better position, a nicer house, a better murukai, etc. And if the Tamogun is predominating, Sattvagun is there, Rajogun is also there, but Tamogun is predominating, we are lazy. Lack incentive. Our will becomes very weak. We are sleepy. Bad thoughts will come in our mind. Very bad thoughts. Now, this is happening with everyone. With you, with your husband, with the wife, with the children, mother, father, friend, everyone. Now, if the qualities of two people are matching, you are of a sattvic nature and your wife is also sattvic nature, friendship is possible. It could be a complete stranger. But the sattvic quality or some quality in you is predominating, and that person, the same quality is predominating, you will have good feelings about that person. Very nice person. I've heard people say that they don't feel good about someone, so they say, my blood didn't take them. Blood has to do with taking somebody. I don't have good feeling about this person, it means that person is very bad. Now at that time, you could be tamasic. The tamasic quality could be predominant in you, and the other person's sattvic, but because there's a difference in the quality of each person, you have very bad thought about the person. That's all it is. The qualities are not matching, so we don't have a good feeling. And we think, I know, my mind, I have this feeling. And that's why we should not judge by what you feel. Because it all has to do with the qualities matching in us. Whether they match or not. If they are matching, then friendship is possible. But the moment any change comes, that friendship is going to finish. And that's why we have struggle, tension, fight, quarrel in every home. Every day. When the two people in the home, let's suppose the husband and wife, parent and child, the qualities are matching. Very nice, calm, quiet, oh, love you, la 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 la. And the quality change, hey, Bhagwan. We don't understand this. And that's why we judge. We look, nobody shows the reality on the outside. It is saying in the world that nobody hangs their dirty linen outside. Nobody's going to tell a neighbor, my husband is like this, my wife is like that. Outwardly, we pretend everything is great. But inside, there's a struggle, turmoil. If each and every person in the world were to express what they actually feel, this whole world will finish in a moment. We pretend. The husband thinks, let me accept what the wife say. The wife thinks, let me accept what the husband say. Otherwise, there's going to be a big fight. We live in an age, everybody has rights. A husband says something long ago, the husband says something, the wife would take it quietly. And nowadays, we live in a different age. You say something, okay. I can tell you, I will say it like this. And then the other person said another thing, and then this one says something, and the voice starts raising, the language gets worse. And it may come to the point, forget about words, they will take up something. People commit murder. Ek jhapar lagayenge. This is all. So that's why, now this is in the world, this is happening with worldly souls. How do we expect that we're going to be able to know about a saint who is beyond the three modes of Maya? God and the saints. They are beyond the three modes of Maya. And that's why when God and the saints come in the world, nobody benefits, or very few. Whatever quality inside of us is predominating, it gets reflected like a mirror. If we are of a sattvic, tamasic nature, and we meet God or a saint, very bad man. Very bad. I have this feeling in me. Because I am very bad, so he's very bad. If the Rajasic qualities predominate in us, and we meet God or a saint, as we meet saint a lot, rarely we meet Bhagwan. We do meet Bhagwan also, but we meet most saints. I know he likes money. He's very greedy man. Because I am very greedy, I love money. And if we are sattvic in nature, and we meet the saint or God, acha aadmi hai. He's a good man. Better than me, but good, that's all. And they are beyond the three modes of Maya. When God and the saints come in the world, that the world does not agree with them or get along, don't be surprised. We can't get along with our own fellow beings under Maya, God and the saints, because we judge externally. So this Gopi, she has Yog Maya Shakti. She can pretend to be angry, she has no anger. There's a big difference. So she's saying, angrily, seemingly, she's feigning this anger, and she's saying, what happened next? Aya kaho saki motan ori, kori mori lar chori. Suddenly, this very naughty fella, she's meeting Shyam Sundar for the first time. Pehle mulaqat. This very naughty fella suddenly came there and looking at me. Good. He's staring at me. Why Shyam Sundar looking at this Gopi especially? Because today he has come to give something to her. Aaj kuch dena hai. This is the greatest day of this gopi. Shyam Sundar has come to give Prem Dan. He's come to give the gift of that greatest thing he possesses. Pancham Purusha Soi Prem Mahadhan. This divine love is the greatest wealth. There is no greater spiritual power than divine love. Sab karmat khaganayak eha kariye Ram pad pankaj neha. All the scriptures, all the saints have come to the conclusion that the greatest thing, they've come to this conclusion, the greatest thing is to have love for the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord. Divine love, prem, bhakti. Sakha param paramaarth ehu kariye Ram pad pankaj nehu. Kagbasundji saying to Garuji, O Garud, there are 4 traditional aims of human life. Purusharth, dharma, arth, kam, moksha. Desire for righteousness, desire for wealth, desire for pleasure, desire for moksha, liberation. Kagbasundji is rejecting these 4. And he says there's a 5th which is the highest. Sakha param paramarat param purusharth. The highest purusharth. And that is kariye Ram pad pankaj nehu. Love. Divine love. Bhakti. This divine love controls, I told you last night, this is why Shri Krishna becomes a slave to the gopis. So today he has come to give that he doesn't give easily. He gives everything except bhakti. Kaghabusundi manguvar ati prasanna mohi jaan anima dikh siddhi apar nidhi moksha sakal sukh khan. Look at how Bhagwan doesn't want to give bhakti. Kagbasundji is such a great devotee. Bhagwan himself is saying, hey Kagbasundi, I am extremely pleased with you. Ati prasan. Not just prasan, ati prasan means extremely pleased. And will give you anything you desire. Kagbasundji says, Maharaj, I don't want anything. I have you. And besides, what are you going to give? Shri Ram says, okay, I'll tell you. I'll give you Riddhi Siddhi, Anima, Laghima, Garima, Siddhis. Powers to perform miracle. People hear about Siddhi. Bhakt looks upon Siddhis like dry grass, Sukha ghas. Nidhis, great treasure, and moksha, the best of attainment. How he's trying to fool Kagbasundji. When there was no happiness in moksha. Kagbasundji says, Maharaj, dhanya ho Prabhu. All glories to you, but these are just toys, khilona hai. Give it to those who want. There is something, if you insist on giving me something, there is something you have that I will accept, that you're not telling me about. That you are hiding. Shri Ram says, I'm hiding. What is that thing? You want me to tell you? Batao. Tell. Kagbasundji says, Avirala bhakti vishuddha tava shruti purana jehi gav jehi khojat yogi shamuni Prabhu prasad ko paav aur dehu daya kariram. Give me that avirala bhakti, vishuddha bhakti, anapayani bhakti. the depthless ocean of selfless love that makes even you, Bhagwan, a slave. So he doesn't give that, but he wants to, this gopi is deserving. So today he has decided to give her that divine love, that prem dan. So he comes and he unceremoniously amongst all his gopis are there, without announcing himself, and he says, who has stolen my chain of pearls? Which one of you gopi here? Just like that. And he's looking at this one gopi. Seriously. In other words, you. And what happened after that? Let's hear. Ha mori tori lar ori gori nand kori mori tori lar ha
mori tori lar ori gori nand kori mori tori lar
आय कह्यो लखी मोतन ओरिया
आय कह्यो लखी मोतन ओरी
ओ आय कह्यो लखी मोतन ओरिया
आय कह्यो लखी मोतन ओरी
कोरी मोरी लर चोरी मोरी तोरी लर
कोरी मोरी लर चोरी मोरी तोरी लर
ओ कोरी मोरी लर चोरी मोरी तोरी लर
कोरी मोरी लर चोरी मोरी तोरी लर
हा मोरी तोरी लर हा मोरी
तोरी लर
ओ हा मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर
ओ तोरी लर तोरी लर तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी ओरी तोरी मोरी
हाँ सखी फिर क्या हुआ? So he came there and he announced unceremoniously and he's looking, staring at you. Then what happened? अच्छा सखी ये सुनो, तो हाउ भोरी पहरी लर कोरी और कहा यह लर तो नहीं तोरी. She said, because he's staring at me and I'm very innocent. Bhori means innocent. The gopis are illiterate. They don't understand the ways of the world. And also Bhori means heart is very soft, clean. Chal kapat nahi hai. There's no chal kapat in the heart of these gopis, are topmost of saint. Man kam bachan chari chaturai bhajatahi kripa karat raghurai. The condition for attaining God's grace, give up all tricks and tactics, all deceitfulness. Clean, pure. Nirmal man jan so mohi pava. Or mohi kapat chal chiddana bhava. Pure heart, pure mind. There should not be any deceitfulness, fraud. So this Bhori means, one, that she is illiterate, very innocent, and secondly, the spiritual meaning that her heart is pure. There's no deceitfulness, no chal kapat, no fraud in there. So I am a very innocent gopi, she's saying to her friend, and because he's staring at me, I thought he meant that I stole his chain of pearls. Because why is he staring at me? It means he's thinking I stole his. Deliberately he's staring at her. Because he knows what she will think. Bhagwan knows all the tricks. Bhagwan Shri Krishna is top in everything. Last night we heard he was top as a stealer, chori. Aujarmi shiromani. Everything he is top. So as far as knowing the reaction of this gopi, Chaturai, he also knows. He is top. So the gopi said, so thinking that he was referring to me, that I stole his chain of pearls, I held up because she was wearing a very beautiful chain with pearls. Hey, she said, I said angrily to him, hey, is this your chain? Ye hai aap color. This is mine, is not yours. Aap dekh lo, come and see. Come and see. Aake dekh lo. Oh, this is what Kanhaiya was waiting for. Come and see. Ha mori tori lar ori gori nand kori mori tori lar ha
mori tori lar ori gori nand kori mori tori lar
ha bhori pahiri lar kori ha
bhori pahari lar kori
o ha bhori pahiri lar kori ha
bhori pahari lar kori
कहा यह लर तो नहीं तोरी मोरी तोरी लर कहा
यह लर तो नहीं तोरी मोरी तोरी लर
ओ कहा यह लर तो नहीं तोरी मोरी तोरी लर
कहा यह लर तो नहीं तोरी मोरी तोरी लर
हा मोरी तोरी लर हा मोरी
तोरी लर
ओ हा मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर
ओ तोरी लर तोरी लर तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी ओरी तोरी लर
ओ हा मोरी तोरी लर तोरी लर तोरी लर तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
अब यही मौका, अब यही चाहते थे श्याम सुंदर. This is what Shyam Sundar wanted, that she should invite him to come close. He cannot do what he wants from far away. नजदीक तो आना पड़ेगा. He has to come very close. So he comes in the excuse of inspecting, जांच करना, ऐसे बहाना बनाए. He came with an excuse that I'm going to see if it's my mala. This is the one that this chain you're wearing, if it's the one that I lost. How will I know? I have to come very close and look closely. Other gopis are there, they're looking on. And he doesn't want everyone to see what he's doing. Chori chori se karna. So Shyam Sundar comes very close and he takes the mala in his hand, her chain with the pearls, and while looking at it, Mario Naina Saina Kori. He looks in her eyes, but he's very close now. While he's very close, he looks in the eye and he gives a sign to her. Aap meri ho gayi. Oh Sakhi, you have become mine. And from his eyes, he transfers that divine love. love, when someone loves, what do you love? Where can you know? You can't know by looking at someone's mouth, by their nose, by their hand, their feet, as in the eye. If somebody's angry, mommy is angry today. Even the child knows, I'm not going close to mommy. She's going to give a jhapar. Just like looking at mommy. So the child knows, just looking. And then when there was a lot of love, you look in the eye also, you can see. Even in the world we can tell. And this is a divine thing. So Bhagwan gives this divine love, this prem dan from the eyes. Ask. There are other ways he can do it also. But he has to do it secretly. He doesn't want all the gopis to see. Ab badnaam to ho gaya Shyam Sundar. He already has a bad name in the whole of Braj. That he is Jar. Last night we heard about some of the names that the gopis would scold him, they would insult him, they would call him, they would give him bad name. So he has a bad name already. So he wants to do this secretly. And the gopi also, she's very shy first time. Ab pehle baar. And she's with all her friends. So Shyam Sundar came up with his great plan as how he's going to get close. He planned it already. Today was the day that he's going to give divine love to this gopi. So he made this elaborate plan. Look at how much Shyam Sundar is doing to grace the soul. He's created this great Leela, this divine plan, that he's going to come and announce that someone has stolen his mala. This gopi, of course, is wearing a mala. He's inspired. He's sitting in her heart. So he inspired her, today, Gopi, you wear this pearl mala and come to Yamuna. Andar baithe. He's sitting in the heart of every living being. Why can't he sit in the heart of Gopi? So he inspires her, today, you should wear this special mala and come. This chain with pearls. So she wore it today. And then, he has made this announcement, and this gopi fell in the trap. She fell in his trap. He could come very close. Ab aa gaye. And when he got very close, looking at the mala, he gave the eye to her. And two things. One, he's oogling at her. Love glances. But he's actually given that divine love, that prem dan. This is the moment he gave it to that gopi. Ha mori tori lar ori gori nand kori mori tori lar ha
mori tori lari ori gori nand kori mori tori lar
ha mori tori lar ha Oh ha mori tori lar ha Oh tori lar ori gori nand kori mori tori lar ha
mori tori lar ori gori nand kori mori tori lar
O lar कर पकरी लंगर देखन मिसलर
कर पकरी लंगर देखन मिसलर
ओ लर कर पकरी लंगर देखन मिसलर
कर पकरी लंगर देखन मिसलर
ओ मार्यो नैन सैन कोरी मोरी तोरी लर मार्यो
नैन सैन कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
ओ मार्यो नैन सैन कोरी मोरी तोरी लर मार्यो
नैन सैन कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
ओ यह लर तो नहीं यह लर कहा यह लर तो नहीं तोरी मोरी तोरी लर कहा
यह लर तो नहीं तोरी मोरी तोरी लर
हाँ मोरी तोरी लर हाँ
मोरी तोरी लर
ओ हाँ हाँ मोरी तोरी लर हाँ
मोरी तोरी लर
ओ तोरी लर तोरी लर तोरी लर होरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
हाँ मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
ओ हाँ मोरी तोरी लर होरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर हाँ
हाँ मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
हाँ अब इसके बाद अपुनि कहा कान मोही गर लर करू but now he's very close to the gopi, so close that he can say things to her that nobody else would hear. To Khan, he went close to her ear and he's still inspecting. So all the other gopis, all her friends are there. He's still inspecting the mala, the chain, but he goes close to theirs and he says to her, Mohi gal lar karu? Do you want me to become the chain around your neck? Instead of this chain you have with pearls, pearl is expensive, but this is a material thing. I will become the chain around your neck. Make me your chain around your neck. Chaha larabani gala lagyori. And once I become the chain around your neck once, I will be the chain around your neck forever. Ab dekho. Once one attains God realization, one can never become under Maya ever again. You cannot lose that divine love. Some people have a saying that one day we were with God in His divine abode and something happened. We did something wrong, I guess, and we fell from God's grace. And we had to come back in this material world and go through this Avagaman, this rotating in 8.4 million forms of life. And we will attain God one day and go back to Him, back to Godhead. You go back to God? So can you not fall again? If one day we were perfect with Bhagwan and something happened to cause us to fall, what's the use going back? We'll fall again. The fact is, we were never with God. The Vedas, the highest authority in Sanatan Dharma are the Vedas, in all religion. The highest authority are the Vedas. And the Vedas tell us, Dva suparuna sayuja sakhaya samanam briksham parikasva jate tayoranya pippalam swadat nashnan nanyu abhichakashiti. Shveta Shvataro Upanishad chapter 4 verse 6. The exact translation of this Ved mantra is given in Bhagavad Mahapuran. Bhagwan Krishna says to Uddhav, 11 canto, 11 chapter, Suparna vetau sadvishau sakhayau Yadichayayitau kritanidau cha vrikshe ekastayo khadati pippalana manyo niranno pibalena bhuyan. 11 Canto, 11 chapter, 6 verse. Bhagavad Mahapuran. Ved is saying, and this translation in Bhagavad. Bhagavad is translation of Vedas. Shri Krishna is saying to Uddhav, ek briksh hai. There's a tree. Briksh, bed. On the tree there are two birds. Do pakshi baithe. One bird is Jivatma, we the individual souls, and one bird is Paramatma, Bhagwan. The position of the two birds are like this. Ek ne bahar mukh kiya. One bird has turned the back to the other bird. This bird has turned the back is Jivatma, we the individual soul. The other bird, Bhagavan, Shri Krishna. One bird has eaten the bitter fruits of the tree. The tree is the world, and the fruits on the tree are the people and objects in the world. Because identifying with the body and making the wrong decision in our mind that there's happiness in the world, we have been looking for happiness in the material world. And we are suffering because there is no happiness. So eating the bitter fruits of the tree, the world, that bird is suffering. Dukhi hai. The other bird that is sitting behind sits quietly, doesn't disturb. Just takes note of the thoughts and ideas, rewards and punishes accordingly, and keeps hoping. Asha Bandhi keeps hoping that this foolish child of mine will realize eventually that there is no happiness in any person or object in the world, and the happiness he is looking for is right behind. All he has to do is to make a right about turn, left about turn. Bahar mukhta kiya, san mukhta karna bas. In other words, surrender. Both of these birds are sitting in our heart. Jivatma, who we are, and Paramatma, Shri Krishna, both are sitting in our heart and in this position from beginningless time. The moment we make a turn, the moment we completely surrender, we'll become free from Maya. That's what Shri Krishna says, complete surrender. Mam ekam sharanam braja. Mameva ye prapadyante maya metan tarantite. Chapter 7, verse 14. The moment the soul completely surrenders to Shri Krishna alone, he will free us from Maya forever. Sada pashyanti surayaha, the Vedas say. Once you attain God realization, it's forever. Someone is cooking. You cook peas, beans, all kinds of seed. Black eye, red bean, all kind. Before cooking that peas or bean, the power for it to germinate is inside. If you put it in the earth and you put water, etc., sunshine, it will germinate. It will sprout and become a tree. But the moment you cook it, you put it in the pot and you cook it, let it cook completely, then the power for that seed to germinate is destroyed forever. Now, no scientist, no matter how much phosphate, nitrate, whatever they put, can make that seed germinate ever again. In the same way, once a soul becomes free from Maya, once he attains God realization, Maya can never affect that soul ever again. He becomes belongs to Bhagwan forever. This is what Bhagwan means. Take me around your neck. In other words, bring me in your heart. Let me become your jewel. And I will be your ornament forever. Once you attain Shri Krishna, that is forever. Forever. The gopi here in this becomes very happy. But something happens. Ha mori tori lar ori gori nand kori mori tori lar ha
mori tori lar ori gori nand kori mori tori lar
पुनि कह कान मोहि गर लर करु
पुनि कह कान मोहि गर लर करु
ओ पुनि कह कान मोहि गर लर करु
पुनि कह कान मोहि गर लर करु
चाहलर बनी गर लाग्यो री मोरी तोरी लर
चहलर बनी कर लाग्यो री मोरी तोरी लर
ओ चाहलर बनी गर लाग्यो री मोरी तोरी लर
चहलर बनी कर लाग्यो री मोरी तोरी लर
ओ मार्यो नैन सैन कोरी मोरी तोरी लर मार्यो
मार्यो नैन सैन कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
हा मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर
ओ हा मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर
ओ तोरी लर तोरी लर तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
हा मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
तो भाई विभोर. Here in Shyam Sundar, and the gopi understands what he means. Nobody can become a necklace around somebody's neck. Even though she is very innocent, but as I told you, it means that she is a saint, pure heart. From the past life, she had done her sadhana. And now, Shyam Sundar had promised her that when I come in the age of Dwapar as Krishna, you will come as a gopi. And I will give you that divine love. So that gopi has the full knowledge. They pretended to be illiterate. They never went to school. None of the gopis ever went to school. They didn't write any book. Never gave lectures except to Uddhav. But they're topmost of saints. That even Uddhav wants to become a creeper, a grass, to get the dust of the feet of these gopis. Sanak, Sandanan, Sanatan, Sanak Kumar, Brahma, all want to attain the dust of the feet of these gopis. So she understands. When Shyam Sundar says, make me the chain around your neck, and I will be that chain forever. That I will be yours forever. I am yours forever. So bhibor ho gayi. She has become so intoxicated with the love. But she has Yog Maya. Normally that gopi should have gone in bhav, falling unconscious. Such a power that she has gotten from Sri Krishna. There's a little electricity, 120 volts. You touch it, you get such a shock. Huh? And we're talking about infinite power. How come the gopi didn't go in bhav and fall on unconscious? Because Shri Krishna also gave her the power, Yoga Maya. Together with the divine love, Shri Krishna gives everything at the same time. Okay, I'm going to give you divine love first, then I will give you knowledge, supreme divine knowledge, then I'll give you that Yoga Maya Shakti, then I'll remove Maya. No, everything happens simultaneously. Divine love, free from Maya forever. Divine knowledge forever. Everything is given simultaneously, same time. So she has acquired the Yoga Maya. Kartum akartum manyata kartum samarthaha. Vedas, Ved. That power that makes the impossible possible. It's called Yoga Maya. Not Maya, Yoga plus Maya. Through that power of Yoga Maya, God and the saint, they can come in this material world. On the inside, they're divine. Yet, outwardly, they can do all the work of Maya, just like us. They can seem to have doing action of lust. They get married, they have children. Even Bhagavan, when he came as Ram, he got married to Sita. He had 2 children, Lav and Kush. Where did they come from? Did they fall from the sky? No, from the womb of Mother Sita. As Shri Krishna, he got married to 16,108 queen. And with every one of them, 10 children. And yet he has no loss. He is Atma Ram Purnakam. But he is Gopi Ram also. Yog Maya. Shri Krishna, neither Shri Krishna nor a saint does anything. Everything Yog Maya is doing. The special power that Shri Krishna governs. He governs Yog Maya. Whereas Yog Maya governs the saints. But both have the power. Both can make the impossible possible. So through that power, the saints, the Rasik saints, are able to control that infinite ocean of divine love. They will do everything like us. They will eat, drink, sleep, pretend to get angry, pretend to be ignorant. Bhagwan is pretending. He Khagamriga, he Madhukar Shreni, tum dekhi Sita Mriganaini. O tree, O bird, O bee, O Mr. Hill, Mr. Deer, have you seen my wife? He's pretending to be so ignorant. He does. Koham bruhi sake swayam sa Bhagavan. Who am I? He doesn't know who he is. Yoga Maya. And when he saw Sati disguise herself as Sita, all the acting stopped. Huh? He became again Sarvagya, all knowing. That is Yoga Maya. So that Gopi, she is so happy, intoxicated with our divine love, infinite divine love. But she does 2 things. One, she pretends it didn't know no effect. Little happiness in the world. You see someone that you have not seen for a long time, your husband, your wife, a child, many years. You would start jumping crazy. And this Gopi is quiet. And this is infinite. That's not even love in the world. And yet she is very calm. And not only that, she starts to scold Shyam Sundar. Angrily she scolds him. True to a woman's nature. She pretends the woman's nature. She doesn't have nature. Gopi doesn't have nature. We have nature. So she pretends like a woman nature in the world, that some boy will come and say something, and how a woman will scold a boy, get angry. She'll be bashful. After all her friends are standing there. This lafanga comes and talks to you like that, and you took it like that. So she has to be true to a woman's nature. Kripalu Mahaprabhu is saying. She's been true to a woman's nature, and she says, Laj achai ghori? Are you so absolutely shameless? You have no shame. Loudly and angrily she says to him, shameless, besharam. She scolds. Inside she wants to fall on in that love, but outwardly she is pretending to be so angry, and she scolds Shyam Sundar very loudly, angrily. Ha mori tori lar ori gori nand kori, mori tori lar ha.
Mori tori lar ori gori nand kori, mori tori lar.
Bhai vibhor yadapi yah suni pe bhai. ओ भाई विभोर यद्यपि यह सुनी पे, ओ कही लाज अंचई, कही लाज अंचई घोरी, मोरी तोरी लर घोरी, ओ कही लाज अंचई घोरी, मोरी तोरी लर
कही लाज अंचई घोरी, मोरी तोरी लर.
हा मोरी तोरी लर, हा मोरी
तोरी लर.
ओ हा मोरी तोरी लर, हा
मोरी तोरी लर.
ओ तोरी लर, तोरी लर, तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी, मोरी तोरी लर हा.
मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी, मोरी तोरी लर.
ओ हा मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी, मोरी तोरी लर हा.
मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी, मोरी तोरी लर.
Now because the gopis scolded him, and Kanhaiya cannot show weakness, all the other gopis, Sakhiya, they are standing there. Ah, these gopis call you and you didn't do anything. You're such a darpok. You're such a coward. And Kanhaiya likes to show that he's man. Oh, Param Purush. Why is he called Param Purush? और एक पुरुष पूरे गोविंद एव पुरुषो ब्रह्माद्यास्त्रिय वही. Not only that, the scripture says there's only one man, one purush in the entire universe, Govind, Shri Krishna. And every other soul that remain, Brahma, Vishnu, every soul, there's three, female, girl. And Param Purush, and you just took it, this gopi scolded you so badly. So Kanhaiya thought, kuch karna chahiye. I have to do something. So, Suni jhat lar tori. Hearing this, Kanhaiya pretends he's angry also, and he grabs that chain of pearl, he grabs it and breaks it. Our Bhajo runs from there, because now the gopis may surround him. These gopis are not easy. They might tie him up. It's already holy time, as we're in the month of Holi. They may take him and tie him. They have Durdarsha hua pura kai baar. The gopis tied him up many times. So he grabs the chain of, breaks it, runs from there, but he says to the gopi while running, "Hey, Sakhi, bhal jori hai na?" He says to her, "Hey, Sakhi, I think we'll make an extremely wonderful couple. I and you." And he runs from there. Ha mori tori lar ori gori nand kori, mori tori lar ha
मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
यह कृपालु सुनी झट लर तोरी,
यह कृपालु सुनी झट लर तोरी
ओ यह कृपालु सुनी झट लर तोरी,
यह कृपालु सुनी झट लर तोरी
ओ चट भाजो कही भल जोरी, मोरी तोरी लर
चट बाजो कही भल जोरी मोरी तोरी लर
ओ चट भाजो कही भल जोरी, मोरी तोरी लर चट भाजो
कही भल जोरी मोरी तोरी लर
हा मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर
ओ हा मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर
ओ तोरी लर तोरी लर तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी, मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
ओ हा मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी, मोरी तोरी लर हा
मोरी तोरी लर ओरी गोरी नंद कोरी मोरी तोरी लर
बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की,
जय।
लाडली लाल की, सियावर रामचंद्र की,
जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की, श्री भक्ति धाम की,
जय।
श्री युगल कुंज की
जय
जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे। So we will come up and take darshan and prasad. Remember, it continues every day, the whole week.